Transformational leader ka ba? Iba-iba kasi yung leadership approaches ng mga namumuno, whether that's a supervisor, a manager, or a community leader, or a professional association leader. Meron tayong tinatawag na transactional leadership, merong authoritarian or autocratic style of leading, merong avoidance or passive leadership, yung leadership na walang pake, participative, but marami pang iba, no? But I want to talk about transformational leadership because I find this to be the most inspirational kind of leadership. Transformational leaders are able to bring out the best in people. People who follow transformational leaders are able to develop themselves, level up their contribution because they believe in a shared goal. So what do transformational leaders do to make that happen? They practice the 4 I's. Okay, 4 na letter I's. Idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualized consideration. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Yung mga leaders who demonstrate idealized influence are trusted. People find them to be consistent and reliable and fair. So they have a strong set of values and beliefs. No, meron silang malinaw na principle of leadership that people subscribe to. So ngalawa ay inspirational motivation. So people who follow transformational leaders are motivated both by the leader's action, the leader's words, and the vision that the leaders sell. No? So, very good transformational leaders are able to remind people about the importance of the work that they do and their contribution to a shared goal. Kasi nakikita ng mga tao na itong leader na ito is not just after personal success, but a collective success. Pangatlo ay intellectual stimulation. A transformational leader believes that people can contribute more than just effort, that they are creative and they have ideas and strengths that they can also contribute to the organization's efforts. No? So, a good transformational leader is a good listener and they reward people for taking smart risks. So yan yung isa. And then lastly, individualized consideration. So ang isang transformational leader ay naniniwala sa diversity. So ang ginagawa nila is they adjust their style depending who they're talking to, and they also adjust their support because people need different kinds of support in order for them to bring out the best version of themselves. So yun yung 4. Idealized influence, inspirational motivation, intellectual stimulation, and individualized consideration. So think about what I said and imagine some check boxes in the way you lead. Na-check mo ba yung mga boxes? If not, I invite you to research on this concept of transformational leadership. And hopefully, it also inspires you to become